Okay, not a lot of progress done this week. Weather turned. I ended up refinishing this vise because the one that I had was going to be too heavy to get mounted on the wall, so I mounted it on the bench stand here. So that was just way too much weight to put on the wall. I did make a little progress here where I got all my bench grinders set up on the wall so they can adjust height, and when I need to remove them I could just pull them off of the wall. The other thing I got done was I got the garage door in. I think I showed that in the previous week, and I hired a company to come in and put this garage door up. So I'm not messing with this garage door. I'm really hoping that garage door company can come this week, but I've got to take this wall down, probably these studs down before they come, and do a little more reinforcing. But I'm going to leave it up to these guys or gals, whoever comes in here, to do this. And then what I'm going to do, hopefully next week, I'm really hoping that the garage door is going to be in because it is just stalling everything out. I'm going to mount the vise on this wall here, and then I actually, in the garage here, I'm going to install, I've got a stereo system inside, and I've got to put this volume control panel on that wall right there. So when I'm installing the vise on this wall, I'll go ahead and put the adjuster knob for the stereo. So if I'm out here listening to the garage, I'll just be able to turn the dial for the volume up and down. And then the speakers, the main purpose that I've stalled out is I couldn't put my drop ceiling in. So once the garage door's in, then I could come put my drop ceiling in, and then my speakers are going to be located in the drop ceiling tiles. So yep, just waiting on this garage door. The weather's turned. I've had a raccoon that almost clogged our drainage system out here on the road. Now we got a possum. Where there's one possum, there's always mama, daddy possum. So I'm expecting there to be more possums to arrive, which they better be leaving my rabbits alone, because I actually feed the rabbits in here, and they live underneath my deck. So I'm a big rabbit connoisseur. But yep, I'm out of here, and hopefully I have no idea what week it is. And I will not be mentioning the weeks because I just don't know. I'm going day to day here until after Christmas.